you want to build layers, like something kind of thin, maybe like a tank or a Henley for a guy, t-shirts, things like that that are a little bit more thin, like cotton, something like that. And then the mid layer could be like a sweater or a cardigan, button-up shirt. Depends on how hot or cold you tend to get too, because some people don't need three layers. They might need one layer, maybe two at the most, because you don't want to be having to peel off clothes and carry them around. But then your outer layer could be like a denim jacket, a blazer, or something like that. And layers look really good on as long as they're just not too, again, voluminous or bulky. We don't want bulk. We want it to look streamlined. So you want to make sure that all of your fabrics align with you and your body heat because, again, everybody's got their own little internal boiler temperature and you don't want to be doing too much. And if you're going to be outside more, that's another thing to consider as well, or if you're going to be inside.